Miss Kurtz. This is General Chemistry, Lab 2, separation of a mixture of solids. Sitting here, got all my utensils ready to go, all my bag of solids, beakers, burner stands, scales, and everything ready to go. So, first step is to determine the mass of my weighing dish. My weighing dish right here. And the mass of that is 3.2 grams. Next, I am going to empty the entire mixture of solids into my weighing dish. I'm going to determine the gross mass of the weighing dish in solids here. Get all of it. The mass of that is 10.3 grams. And so next I have to compute the net mass of the mixture. This is equal to the gross mass of the weighing dish minus the initial mass that I weighed just by itself. So that's going to end up being 10.3 minus 3.2. That'll end up equal with 7.1 grams is going to be the net mass. So I'll go ahead and record that. Next step is going to be to spread my mixture over a thin layer of paper. And got my second piece of paper, 10 centimeters square right here. I'm going to record its mass real quick, and it's 0.7 grams. Now I'm going to wrap a small piece of plastic. I'm just going to use mine from the bag, wrap it around my magnet. And I'm going to remove the iron powder in here within the mixture. I'm going to just pass it loosely over the top of it. And all my iron powder is coming up on the magnet. Alright, so I've got all of that. Alright, so I got all my iron right here on my small piece of paper. I'm going to determine the net mass of it. Again, I'm doing net mass is gross mass minus the initial mass that I weighed for the piece of paper. Got 2 grams for the net mass of the iron powder. Next, I'm gonna separate the sand. And put the remaining mixture that I have into my beaker. What I'm going to end up doing is put a little bit of water in here and boil out all the salt and sand from it. Uh, so I'm going to separate the rest of these and determine all the net mass and the gross mass and get all my data and turn that in with my lab manual.